Hello my lovely friends, how are you? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then hi, I'm Zina and I'm a hair artist. But today we're gonna create some epic hairstyles from Little Woman movie. Because of the quarantine, finally I found a little more time to watch something interesting so I can have this powerful woman inspiration. But this hair tutorial is sponsored by MHOT hair extensions, and thankful I have these hair extensions and I can recreate this epic hairstyles that I didn't see anyone recreating. So excited, let's get started.
So we'll begin by making our side parting like Meg has, and then I'll select my front sections, clipping them away for later. And now I'll add my all-time favorite MHOT clipping extensions. So basically I'm adding it, but guys, I'm clipping when I'm wearing hairstyles. I'm making sure to clip two clips weft one on another one, so this way I'm not wasting my time when making a hairstyle. Is so much easier, and you'll save so much time, and by the way it's much more comfortable to wear. So here I'm clipping on top my three clips weft one on another one, and then I'll clip it onto my hair. Then, grabbing my crown section, I tease a little bit the roots of my hair to create more volume and to hide my clipping extensions. I'm brushing it to hide the teasing, and then I'm pinning my crown section to make it voluminous and beautiful looking. Now I'll grab from one side a section of hair, divide it into three and begin a Dutch braid, but I'll braid it horizontally up, and I'll add hair only to the middle strand. So basically we'll twist side strands under the middle one, and then before crossing the middle strand I'll add hair to it, and then I'll cross side strands under the middle one. Hope that this makes sense. And then I'm making like a round shape of my bun using my Dutch braid. So genius, right? So braid it, but leave a little more hair like I'm showing here for our future curl like Meg has. So finish a braid with a simple 3-strand braid, tying the ends using a clear elastic. Pull apart your braid to make it fuller and voluminous and like a bun from curls looking, and then wrap it like I'm showing, creating a knot from the braid. Now you want to hold it with one hand, and with another one you want to pin it in place using as many bobby pins as you need. Then you want to twist the ends and pin them in place, creating this curl. Releasing our front sections, we want to curl them away from our face, and the section for the curl as well. Then grabbing the front sections where the curl is, we want to bring it backwards and pin it in place and hide the ends. And you want to do the same thing on other side, but with all the curls. If you have any ends sticking out, make sure to twist them and pin it into the bun as well, so it will look like you have a bun from curls only and without any braiding. We don't tell anybody, right? Then you want to add some flowers, and Meg hairstyle is ready. Then we'll move on to Amy party hairstyle, and we want to make a central parting. Leave the front sections away for later, make a ponytail, then twist the sections away from your face and pin them into place. Now you want to grab a donut bun and you want to bring the ponytail through it, pin in place the donut bun, and then pin over your donut bun like I'm showing the extensions, so you'll have so much volume. Then bringing your hair up and leaving a little bit of hair for later, you want to make a simple 3-strand braid. Make sure that everything is nice and even. Pin in place your braid. At this point you want to grab your section left and pin it onto the bun, and then creating this loop you want to pin it onto the scalp as well like I'm showing. Hide the ends of the braid as well and pin them in place. Then grabbing the ends from the loop you want to make a 3-strand braid. Then pull apart just one side of your braid, tie the ends and wrap it, creating a flower shape, and pin it in place using bobby pins. Then I decided we need a little bit of sparkle into this flower, so it will look more like Amy's hairstyle. Use some hairspray to fix it, and yes, you're done. So amazing, right? And voluminous and big. This is all because of the MHOT hair extensions. Then we will move on to again Amy's hairstyle, because I think Amy has the best hairstyles in all movie. So clip into your hair the extensions like I'm showing. Then you want to grab your front section from one side of the parting, divide it into two, twist them and pin it in the back, and repeat with the second section as well. Then divide all the hair into two sections, incorporating. You want to grab a big strand of hair, divide it into two and twist each strand one way, and then twist them around each other opposite way. Then as you twist, make sure to adhere to the side strand before twisting around each other. So you want to continue these steps then without adding hair. Tie the ends using a clear elastic and repeat the rope braid on the other side as well. When our braids are ready, you want to grab one of them and bring it under second braid and wrap it around your head, creating this bun effect, and pin it in place using how many bobby pins you need for your thickness and length. Then you want to grab your second braid and wrap it to the opposite side. Make sure to hide the ends under the braids and make sure your braids will stay in place. And yes, you're done. I hope that you enjoyed today's hairstyles. These really are insane. I didn't expect that I can recreate them. If I did, trust me, you can definitely do them as well.
If you enjoyed this hair tutorial, don't forget about thumbs up. Also, if you're new, don't forget about subscribe and notification button so you'll be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial. Also guys, tell me please in comments down below what kind of hair tutorials you'd like to see here on my YouTube channel. But that's it for today. Love you lots. Mwah! Bye!